Hello and welcome to another Daily Dose of Insights powered by Container Exchange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, and data points that move container markets and hence your business. Today it's Monday, so we have what we call Macro Monday here at Container Exchange. We typically take a look at the week ahead and what kind of macroeconomic data points and indicators are to be expected, are to be released this week that will move markets, specifically container markets. Let me quickly share my screen to give you a little bit of guidance of what I'm talking about. First off, last week we were all at Intermodal Europe in Rotterdam. A great show, great confidence also in the year ahead, albeit the majority of market participants expect sort of the prices to weaken, overcapacity to play a role next year, in light also of the existing order book by carriers, in light of the existing capacity that just came into the market, both on the vessel as well as on the container side, and sort of the absence of fundamental underlying growth drivers on the demand side. But that is sort of a topic for another day. Also last week, we just released our xChange monthly forecaster. I'm going to put the link in the notes of this post. Key focus of this forecast is on the U.S. trading markets, so container trading, that is, which is trending upwards. Prices are trending upwards across the board in the U.S. And the sentiment remains strongly positive. We look at our Container Exchange Sentiment Index. Most likely, this also has to do with the election of Trump, which is seen as generally very positive by U.S. container traders. Then this week, just a few topics that come into mind. Today, Monday, the G20 summit kicks off in Brazil in Rio de Janeiro. Still without Trump, but of course Trump will be probably in a lot of the conversations as the as the countries evaluate who to partner with and who to strengthen ties with ahead of Trump coming into office in early 2025. And then on Wednesday, we have UK inflation rate data coming in. Inflation likely expected to increase slightly, and that is sort of now above the 2% target rate that the most central banks sort of target. So that is, of course, definitely a data point to watch. And then on Thursday, we have consumer confidence in the euro area, continued negative, but the long-term trend looks promising, looks good. Of course, the question is, how will the economy fare in the euro area in the next year? And then, of course, on Friday also we have some PMI data, so Purchasing Manager Index data coming in from the US and across the world. But I'm just going to pick out the US data here because it continues to be very strong, and that puts into question also a little bit the speed at which the Fed is expected to cut its main interest rates. Previous expectations was that this cutting pace was to be quite aggressive. Now the markets generally price that in a little bit more conservatively, so not so many cuts, especially also as the economy is growing healthily and inflation seems to be in check. So no need to aggressively cut to the neutral or the expected neutral rate. Now, that's it from us for today. Have a fantastic start into your trading week, and see you all on Wednesday. Take care.